There we go. All right, simplifying equations. The trick to simplifying any equation is to isolate the variable, right? Which is just a fancy way of saying getting the variable by itself, all by yourself, like every Friday night of your life. You know what I mean? Isolated. Woo! That joke went over well. Anyways, the easiest thing to do is to do it in the backward order of your normal order of operations. So normally we do plus and minus last, but when we're trying to get a variable by itself, we do the pluses and minus first. The things that are like furthest away from the variable. First thing we're going to want to do is get rid of this positive 5 that's by the variable. All you have to do to get rid of things is the exact opposite. So what's the opposite of adding 5? Subtracting 5. All right, vocalization. But if you do it to one side of the equation, you always have to do it to the other side of the equation, or it's just not fair. I think you're playing favorites, and even though your parents probably have favorites, they're not supposed to let you know, right? When I mitigate that, I have 2/3, on the 3, 2/3 m, and on this side, 13 minus 5 would be 8. Okay? Now, we want to get m by itself. Again, this time we have to take care of that thing that's being multiplied. What's the easiest way to neutralize a fraction? Multiply by its reciprocal, right? So if I want to get rid of 2/3, I multiply by the opposite, which is 3/2. All you do is you take the fraction, flip it upside down, and multiply. But since I did it to that side, I have to do it to this side. And this number just chilling by itself means it's over what? 1. On the left, I'm going to get cancel, 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 and I'm left with just m. On the right, you can multiply then divide, or you can reduce first. I'm always a fan of reducing first. It makes the math easier. How many times does 2 go into 8? 4. Correct. That leaves me with 4 times 3, or 12, for my final answer. And the beautiful thing about math is you can always check it. You're doing your English work and you think you have a good essay. How are you going to check it? It's difficult. You have somebody else read it. But with math, you just get to plug things back in. So if I put the m back in, 2/3 of 12 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Yay, we got it.